How to fix Discord stage channel problem? Well, to fix your Discord stage channel problem, you must first narrow down whether the issue is caused by missing community server requirements, incorrect role permissions, or an audio or connection glitch. Now, you cannot make a stage channel on a regular server. So what you want to do is you want to go to server settings. So head over to that particular server name and head over to server settings. Then scroll down to enable community and click get started and follow the prompts. Now similarly, when creating a channel, manually check the state channel bubble instead of the default text or voice options. Now also what you want to do is you want to go to edit channel option, right? And what you want to do next is you want to head over to channel permissions and add specific roles or members as stage moderators. Only moderators can move listeners to the stage, and also fix the request to speak feature. If regular members are speaking without permission, check your server roles as well. Before hosting an event, make sure you create a private test rule to verify that listeners are muted by default and can only speak when invited up by moderator. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.